Hi, as part of HackerRank SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem before going to code. Okay, the problem they have given is query all columns or attributes for every row in the city table. Okay, we need to query all the columns or all the attributes from the city table. Okay, the table is described as below. So we need to fetch all the fields: ID, name, country code, district, and population. Okay. There are two ways we can solve this. Okay, let's try to understand the solution. So in order to fetch the values, we need to use select keyword, select star from table name. Okay, table name. So this is how we can fetch all the columns with corresponding rows. Okay, there is another way. There is another way which we can do it. Select ID, comma, name, comma, country code, district, and population from city table. Okay, let's try to run the code. Let's try to run the code. See, this way also it is giving the correct output only. Okay, based on your convenient. Okay, you can use both the queries or whatever it is preferable, you can use it. Okay, let's submit the code. The compiler is success. Okay, all the test cases are passed. So this is about solution. Okay, thanks for watching this, guys.